It's just a quick video to show you how to install the X-axis lead screw nuts on a Bridgeport milling machine. So that's the main housing there, and inside you can see there's the drive key. Can you see that there? Obviously you need to make sure that's installed square and true first. Make sure there's no burrs or anything on the inside edge. It's all nice and clean before you start installation. So what you're going to need is the two nuts, the main adjusting screw, and then there's a locking screw as well. So the main screw is going to go into here and the locking screw into there. Before we do that, we're going to install the two nuts. There's the back one in. Make sure they're all running free. Okay, that needs to be running free, otherwise you're going to have trouble with the adjustments. Okay, so that's the locking screw in there, and we're just going to leave that loose for now. Now when you come to put in the lead screw, what you need to do is put this lead screw into the first nut, so screw into the first one and then pull back like that, pull back on the lead screw, because what you want is the gap between the two nuts, otherwise you won't get any adjustments, and basically the lead screw will just move backwards and forwards because you've got the two nuts together. So you need to be careful of that when you're installing it.